ni wedi cael ein ail ffidil fawr. Ni wedi newid lleoliad tro yma nawr dyn ni yn Stagpwll. A mae e jyst i bod yn hollol wefreiddiol. You meet lots of familiar faces and loads of new people as well, and you just create this sort of little lovely community of fiddle players and string players, and we all just meet together.
New location, same great vibes. It kind of feels like a continuation because it's sort of the same but bigger and better.
I think we've been able to strike a really nice balance in terms of the numbers, even though there is almost 100 people here.
Mae yna llif really neis o llynedd I flwyddyn yma, ond dim ond bod yna fwy ohono ni. Dwi wedi bod yn gweithio efo dosbarth ffidils uwch. Hynny ydy ddim o reidrwydd chwarae pethau anodd, ond trio bod yn feddylgar a mynd yn ddwfn I fewn i'r alawon a dwfn I fewn i'r techneg ynglŷn â sut da ni'n mynd I gael siapiau a lliwiau gwahanol drwy yn chwarae ni a I addurnw'r alawon.
I was running the intermediate class this year, and the intermediate phase, it's an odd one because you feel very secure in your tunes and you feel very confident, but it's sort of taking things to that next level.
So I was taking the group who are a bit more advanced maybe. With Owen joining us, we've been able to offer 2 levels of cello class this year.
It has been the best weekend, just having everyone together, loads of string instruments, loads of cellos, all the bass notes, just really lovely, like accepting of each other and where everyone's at, like all the different levels, and really everyone really encouraging and helping each other.
And Angharad Jenkins has joined as a fiddle teacher who's working with a sort of foundational class.
Mae jyst yn lle gartrefol iawn, lle mae pobl gallu teimlo'n digon hyderus a cyfforddus I fod yn nhw I hunan. A pa bynnag lefel I chi arno ar eich siwrne yn dysgu'r ffidil, mae yna groeso cynnes iawn I bawb. Of course it's going to be amazing. I mean, Jordan and Aaron and Patrick, those 3 people together as three, such amazing musicians and inspiring, but also just the best people as well. So to have that combination of the music and just the way they make people feel and the warmth that sort of exudes from them and is just amazing. So o'n I moyn bod yn rhan o fe o'r blaen, a mae di bod yn arbennig.
It's completely, everybody is really welcome here. I think that's sometimes a bit of cliche, but that really is, this feeling seeps into everything from the tutors to the volunteers. Anybody who's working here, all of the participants, there is this magic that happens where everybody becomes a member, a valued member of this instant community that happens in just a few days, and that it's really, really tangible. The strength of this community throughout Wales, through traditional music, traditional dance, even though it's been kind of left without much sunlight, it's at its core, it's incredibly strong. And now that hopefully we're moving into a future where traditional music is going to be, and the traditional arts are going to be better supported, I think that this whole world is going to flourish and going to be able to bring more people in, so everybody can share the kind of this feeling that we have.
Yng Nghymru, da ni'n euog weithio fel Cymru o eista yn factions ac mae'n teimlo fatha bod yna pontydd yn cael ei croesi efo'r trawstori'r bobl sydd wedi bod yma a'r ffordd maen nhw di cydweithio a di rhannu cerddoriaeth. Mae'n ffordd rili hawdd. Felly dwi'n gobeithio bod hynny'n mynd i fod yn rhywbeth sydd yn iachus i gerddoriaeth Gymraeg.
It just shows that people want this, and it's not just about good music, or it's not even just about great community together, but there's a great national pride in this as well. There's a national identity and a regional identity, and these things are really important to people, and we can come together and celebrating this through yr iaith Gymraeg, through cerddoriaeth draddodiadol. Like, it's a very special mix.
Well, thank you so much. This is the second year we made it happen. We've spoken about this for years and we did it, so it's an absolute privilege to work with you guys.
Yeah, I can't believe it. I'm so proud. Yeah, just keep getting emotional.
To work with such a fantastic team of tutors and volunteers.
It's unbelievable, just the way everybody feels like this belongs to them. I think that's the most special bit. We pulled together a space for people to come together, and then everybody who is here, they create the magic of this. And it's not just about the fiddle, or about music, or about the Welsh tradition or anything like that. It's at its core, it really is an opportunity for people to celebrate being humans with other humans.